There's no doubt about it, SIRI hybrid chili seeds, the best seeds of choice of farmers, early harvest and abundant yields. In Indonesia, the name of this hybrid chili seed is Imperial 10, in India known as SIRI. In India, the fruit is usually harvested young, the color is fresh green and the results are very abundant. Excellent satisfied in the lowlands to high, easy maintenance, strong and sturdy plant growth. Gemini virus tolerant, bushy fruit. Length of approximately 15.5 centimeters, diameter of 1.2 centimeters, fruit bending, harvest age 75 days after transplanting, the potential yield reaches 35 tons per hectare. Good response from chili farmers in India, high yields, and can harvest earlier, with minimal care can get maximum results. In terms of price is also no different from other varieties. India is one of the largest producers of dried chilies in the world, and exports dried chilies to many countries in the Middle East, Europe and Southeast Asia. Supply of dried chili is generally used for the food industry, and its needs are always increasing every year. So, there's no doubt about it, SIRI hybrid chili seeds, the best seeds of choice of farmers, early harvest and abundant yields.